Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the class on UGC NET JRF Paper 1. Today we'll discuss the syllabus which will be helpful for all the postgraduate students to qualify the NET JRF exam. My name is Prasenjit Roy. I have qualified MCom in Accountancy and Finance, NET JRF and PhD. The National Eligibility Test is a national level exam conducted in India by National Testing Agency on the behalf of University Grants Commission. This test enables postgraduate students to qualify for university level teaching jobs in India and also to seek admissions in PhD level programs. The test is conducted in humanities including languages, social sciences, environmental sciences, geography, commerce, management, to name a few. Once you clear UGC NET JRF, you are eligible to become an assistant professor or pursue PhD as a junior research fellow in distinguished university across India. Junior research fellowship gives you financial independence for pursuing research and attain PhD, which is becoming mandatory for applying to assistant professor posts. Some universities even permit direct admission into MPhil programs for students who have qualified the NET exam. To begin with, the Paper 1 syllabus first begins at Teaching Aptitude, which consists of teaching concepts, objectives, level of teaching, memory, understanding, and reflective, characteristics, and basic requirements. Learners' characteristics of adolescent and adult learners, which includes academic, social, emotional, and cognitive individual differences. Factors affecting teaching related to teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment, and institution. Methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning, teacher-centered versus learner-centered methods. Offline versus online methods, teaching support system, traditional, modern, and ICT based. Evaluation systems, elements and types of evaluation in choice based credit system in higher education, computer based testing, innovations in evaluation systems. The second part of the syllabus refers to research aptitude, which includes research, meaning, types, and characteristics, positivism, and post-positivistic approach to research. Methods of research, experimental, descriptive, historical, qualitative, and quantitative methods. Steps of research, thesis and article writing, format and styles of referencing, application of ICT in research, followed by research ethics. The third part refers to comprehension. A passage of text will be given where questions will be asked from the passage to be answered. The fourth part of the syllabus refers to communication. Communication, meaning, types and characteristics of communication, effective communication, verbal and non-verbal, intercultural and group communications, classroom communication, barriers to effective communication, mass media, and society. Number fifth part of the syllabus refers to mathematical reasoning and aptitude, which includes types of reasoning, number series, letter series, codes and relationships, mathematical aptitude, fraction, time and distance, ratio, proportion and percentage, profit and loss, interest and discounting, averages, etc. Number 6 consists of logical reasoning, where understanding the structure of arguments, argument forms, structure of categorical propositions, moods and figures, formal and informal fallacies, uses of language, connotations and denotations of terms, classical square of opposition, evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning, analogies, Venn diagram, simple and multiple use of establishing validity of arguments, Indian logic, means of knowledge, pramanas, pratyaksha, perception, anumana, inference, upamana, comparison, shabda, verbal testimony, arthapatti, implications, and anupalabdhi, non-apprehension. Structure and kinds of anumana, inference, vyapti, invariable relation, hedvavasas, fallacies of inference. Number 7. Data interpretation. Sources and acquisition and classification of data, quantitative and qualitative data, graphical representation, bar chart, histograms, pie chart, table chart, and line chart, and mapping of data, data interpretation, data and governance. Number 8. Information and Communication Technology, ICT, general abbreviations and terminology, basics of internet, intranet, email, audio and video conferencing, digital initiatives in higher education, ICT and governance. Number 9. People, development and environment, Millennium Development and Sustainable Development Goals, human and environment interaction, anthropogenic activities and their impact on environment, environmental issues, local, regional and global, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste, solid, liquid, biomedical, hazardous, electronic, climate change and its socio-economic and political dimensions, impacts of pollutants on human health, natural and energy resources, solar, wind, soil, hydro, geothermal, biomass, nuclear and forests, natural hazards and disasters, mitigation strategy, Environmental Protection Act 1986, National Action Plan on Climate Change, International Agreements, Efforts, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention of Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliance. Number 10. Higher Education System, Institutions of Higher Learning and Education in Ancient India, Evolution of Higher Learning and Research in Post-Independence India, Oriental Conventional and Non-Conventional Learning Programs in India, Professional, Technical and Skill-Based Education, Value Education and Environmental Education, Policies, Governance and Administration. 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks, are to be set from each module which has been discussed in the slides above. Whenever graphical or pictorial questions are set for sighted candidates, a passage followed by equal number of questions and weightage be set for visually impaired candidates. With this, I would conclude this presentation and wish you all the best for a positive preparation, and I hope that you qualify. Thank you.